Hello, and today we are looking at the PPC Plastic Plane Company British Airways Airbus A380 in 1/250 scale. And this is a snap-fit model kit that you can put together really easily with no glue required. And as you can see, it can package in this box here with an image of the plane on the front. This is the one with a matching registration. It has some specification information here of a real Airbus A380 and the logo and name of the airplane. In this case, British Airways Airbus A380. So let's open the box up and have a quick look. You can see it has all the parts in it here. So we have the stand, the fuselage, the horizontal stabilizers, the wings and engines, and the vertical stabilizer. And I'll give a nice demonstration of how this model easily fits together. To start off, we take the fuselage of the plane. See here, looking really, really nice. Quick once over. The nice British Airways livery on it. And we'll look at it more in closer detail once we put it together. So we take the fuselage and we'll start with the wings. And they just snap onto the body really, really easily. Take the wings and just push it into place. There you go, there's wing one. And then on the other side, you do the same thing. Give it a nice push. And you have the second wing. You can see looking really nice. Also a really nice size as well, quite large. We'll now move on to the tail of the plane with the stabilizers, starting off with the horizontal. Again, it's the exact same thing as the wings. You just push them in and they just clip on really easily. Now just make sure you've got them the right way up. So just take your stabilizer, push it in. And same on the other side, take it, push it in. Really, really simple. So looking really nice, as you see. It's coming together really, really nicely. And then the final piece of the main part of this plane, the vertical stabilizer. You can see right here with the nice British Airways livery on it. Just take it out. This also will just clip onto the top of the plane like so. And there you have it. The PPC Plastic Plane Company British Airways Airbus A380 in 1/250 scale. Now let's have a nice close look at it. We can look at some of the details on it. So you can see the plane, it's really nice. Looking at the wings, you can see the ailerons and flaps on it. You can see its wingtip fences on the ends. We've got 4 nice jet engines here, 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 and here. As you can see, they have got the turbines inside. Really nice. See underneath. Continuing here, we have the detail on it. And the registration under the wing of G-XLEA. And this plane was delivered to British Airways in 2013 and still flies in their fleet today. So you may see this plane flying around. And if you have, or possibly have ridden it, or possibly have flew on it, it's a nice little collector's piece to have of it. See the nice British Airways livery is really cleanly printed on it. British Airways written here, logo, nice little royal seal. You see here, a little Royal Mail symbol as well. And again, the registration of G-XLEA with LEA written up here and on the front of the cockpit there as well. And as you can see, it's the same level of detail all across this lovely model. And as if we go back to the underside, as you can see, there is no landing gear on this model, but it does come with a little display stand here, which is made up of 2 parts. You see, it has a standpin thing and a bit that the actual plane to stand on. Just push it in, really simple, just a little clip together. And then underneath the plane, you'll see a little hole, which just pushes in like that. Just give it a little push, and there you go. Got a zonal display stand, so it can stand really, really nice, being an excellent display piece. Also had a fun little build, you can see, looking really, really nice. And a little bit about the A380 itself. It is a large body, it's a large wide body airliner. It is the world's largest passenger airliner and the only full-length double-deck jet airliner. So as you can see, it has one deck at the bottom, and then a second one here, the second row of windows and doors, making this quite a unique plane for those interested. Looking really, really nice. And as it's got the full second layer, it has gained the nickname Super Jumbo due to its size. It was first announced back in 1990, entered full production in 2003, and then entered full service in 2007, and then ended production back in 2021. And like I've said, this particular model of G-XLEA was delivered to British Airways in 2013 and has been flying with them ever since. This is a really nice model with a wingspan of 31.9 centimeters approximately and about 29.1 centimeters long. So it's a really nice model, really nice little collector's piece, really fun thing to build, and as you can see, it builds really, really easily with no hassle. So overall, it's a really nice model. Just really, really good for any fan of British Airways planes, of the Airbus A380, possibly of someone who's flown on this particular plane, as it is and has been active for over a decade now. And it's available now from modelcorner.co.uk.